Hi, my name is Sarah Steckler, and I thought I'd go ahead and upload a video and introduce myself. A little bit about my background, and I'm totally winging this, by the way, so probably be all over the place. I grew up in the Seattle, Washington area, and I got my bachelor's from Western Washington University up in Bellingham in communications with a minor in sociology. And since then, I spent about the last 5 years working at a university in downtown Seattle. And my favorite part about that job was that I got to become the wellness chair for our wellness team. And that was the most rewarding thing about my job. I got to inspire people every day. And little did I know, I was actually... I really was coaching people in that position. I was motivating people every day. Over the past couple of years, I had lost around 50 pounds, and so people were coming to me with, questions and how did I do that, and how did I get to such a positive place in my life. So I really feel like I was coaching people. I just didn't know that's what it was called. What else about me? I'm recently married. I got married to my husband last April in Seattle, and he is in the Navy. So we actually just did a cross-country move from Seattle, Washington to Maryland last May. So it's been a huge change. My life has turned upside down. I've had my highs and my lows, moving to a whole new place and not knowing anyone and becoming a military spouse. And I really felt lost for a while on what I wanted to do. And when I found out about this program and went to a seminar, I was like, wow, this is exactly what I want to do. I just didn't even know there was a program out there for it. So I'm super excited to be here and meet everyone. And yeah, my ultimate goal is to become a coach. For the past 3 years, I have also ran, and I still run, a blog called fitcupcake.com. And on there, I post a lot of motivational stuff. I talk about my personal life experience and what I've gone through. I post recipes, and it just really keeps me honest with my own lifestyle and mindfulness and everything. And I really have enjoyed inspiring people. What else can I say briefly? We recently also got a puppy. She is now almost 3 months. Her name is Bella, and she's an Old English Bulldog. So if any of you have any tips on raising a puppy, that would be much needed. I appreciate that. Anyway, I'm excited to get to know everyone on here, and hope everyone else makes time to post a video and say hi. And I'm also in the Maryland area, so I'll probably be on campus from time to time. But yeah, excited to start the program and meet everyone, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas and a good New Year. Bye!